Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to locate apps on Android. Here are the steps to help you locate apps on your mobile device. Go to the home screen. Swipe up or press the home button to view your starting screen. Swipe up to open the app drawer. This displays all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the app drawer. Manually browse through the list to find your app. Use the search bar at the top of the app drawer. Tap the search bar and type the app's name for quick access. Check folders on the home screen. Apps may be grouped inside folders. For example, social, Google, or games. Look in the recently used section. Some Android launchers display recently opened apps at the top of the app drawer, or on the gesture mode, you can start swiping from the bottom to upwards to see your recently opened apps. Look in the Play Store. Open Play Store, tap your profile, manage apps and device, then go to Manage section, then make sure it is set to this device to see all installed apps. Take note, if an app is hidden, you may need to check launcher settings or use the Unhide Apps feature. On Samsung phones, you can also use the Finder search by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.